I'm here at Bradford Beach in Milwaukee. I heard that there was a boat frozen in the ice, so I figured I had to come down and check it out, and it's indeed true. So right behind me you can see the skyline of Milwaukee. Right over there's Bradford Beach, and then here's a boat completely frozen in the ice. There's Lake Michigan. Supposedly the captain ran out of gas and then it got beached here, and then right after that it got cold and got frozen in the ice, and I guess since then nobody's been able to get it out, which makes sense because it's completely frozen in. So take a quick look around here. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty crazy. A lot of weird graffiti. Definitely an interesting boat. Yeah, some interesting stuff on there.